Mm-mm.
He's gonna lay down.
He's
Look, he's looking
on the snake. He's got the snake.
Jackie. Jackie. Hey, man.
Chipper, did you get the snake? He's a good boy. Bell's coming to check it all out. Flowers, garden, everything.
Trying to.
Mm-hmm. Come Snuggle Bunny finally to investigate.
Yep.
He said, "What's this?" And Baby said, "Mine." She took it right away from him. He didn't even get a chance to sniff it.
Oh, she won't get up here with that. Look at her.
Mm-hmm. Brother and sister, Flower and Ziggy.
Look at baby. Look at, she's got a little pink, whatever that thing is. Look at her.
What you got, baby? Oh, baby's got something pretty. Oh, look at Teddy Bear. He got him a bone and got up there. Mm-hmm.
Look at Chad's like he's waiting for you to open.
He looks like he's watching for those things.
He's waiting for you to open.
He said, "Give me some of that, Mama." So cute. Snuggabuns. Snugga-bunny. Damn, you know what to do.
Look, Teddy likes that bone.
Mm-hmm.
Has that got anything in it or just
It's an olive bone. Flower, be nice. You cannot have every single thing here. Look, baby, I think she's stockpiling.
Yeah. You might do. Flower.
Look at Belle. She likes that stuffed animal. Belle likes that bear. Flower. Here comes Shiggy. She's got something. Well, I think the puppies have had a Merry Christmas.
Look at these. I don't know what he's got.